Turkish Airlines. Papunta pong Turkey. Yan po, may isang Pinay. Hello.
Hello.
Bayan.
Hello po.
Yan po. Dali ano muna ako. Mag-video kasi lagay sa YouTube.
Adjust your seatbelt as shown. Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible until the seatbelt sign is off. When needed, you can release it as shown. Before the flight, extension and loop belts are given out by the cabin crew. Please switch your mobile phones and all other electronic devices to flight mode. Mobile phones and other electronic devices without a flight mode must be switched off. Before takeoff and landing, please unplug all your electronic devices. Smartphones, tablets, and other small devices may be held, but laptops and larger devices must be stowed in their cases in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping others. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs will help you locate them. Take a moment now to locate your nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and the illuminated path along the aisle. To ensure a quick evacuation, please leave behind all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects. You will find your life vest attached to your seat as... Uçuşumuz sırasında uymanız gereken emniyet kurallarına dikkatinizi çekmek istiyoruz. El bagajınızı başüstü dolaplara yerleştirirken dikkatli olması. Daha küçük eşyalarınızı önünüzdeki koltuğun altına yerleştirebilirsiniz. Kemer ikaz ışıkları yandığında kemerlerinizi gösterilen şekilde bağlayıp önünüze göre ayarlayınız ve ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar bağlı ve gömülü tutun. Safety card in your seat pocket. Make sure you follow all signs and cabin crew instructions at all times. Enjoy your flight.
Turkish Airlines.
Disabled passengers may refer to the specially designed safety video within the in-flight entertainment system, or simply get in touch with the flight attendants for more details.